kuwa nao pia wasifuatilie mambo mengi, wawache tabia mbaya, manake hukumu iliyotolewa leo ilikuwa safi kabisa tena.
Mwancho muregerera roboti orukoro asense meria marani na rogo chugotoikeria omwe gose na rogo chugotoira ase break intangani kore ngwira natore ase gika ketaria getambe gendera kubwatia toskari.
Nilan Hub niye moyo chiduka echichikone bintu bigutumika service na bigase nyumba yao, yani furnitures aseli golidia mabuko ebyo bikomenya segeka ase Chinsa cha living room mbabwata chi throw pillows echujire chichingenjo au nabwego ne chikala au mbabwata recliner sofa sets echora onchora nebuno kuganya kwawo kole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echujire chechi 7 seater nabwego ne chechi 6 seater echujire chechi rangi nechi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echora tumeke aso kubeke TV yao buya ase Chinsa cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge as Chinsa cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwato murulio olipa pole pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu bigangorangora wika wakolire tonyole imbeyo mucho musongo asebara yasunika migori otara ikasenya gitaye lya nyangena boigo ndabogwaka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echuchire enote sano libere kyanda eyemo isano libere isato kyanda ibere inye kose enote sano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjirio asenka ya olero. Nilan Hub, where style, comfort and quality meet. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imisangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano y'echikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega au bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyibaita bobale no bamanyibigoro nigetibye tibwate signal ere enkongo yigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku ya Kisii gwitira namba
0741499726. Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Mwancho mwaregeri karibu sana nande ase ntunda ya kabere Ekeonga Jumatano Chinsa Ibere chobotuko bwega warero tokosika boseni ngo muraibensi ya Kenya muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto agenderere wakera umorobe yo moya we bobo bwene oliosha ekoko asebona aboliri aba Kenya kwerikia no morobe yo
aya nigo umuraibensi William Ruto abaka kunyakwanira karagendete etaro yaye asensemeria viga umuchio o Western.
Pale nyuma maneno ya NHIF ilikuwa ni lazima uwe na kazi ndio upate bima, ama uwe na uwezo ya kulipa ndio upate bima. Hii mpango mpya niliwaambia tutaanzisha mpango mpya ambayo haijalishi kama uko na kazi ama hauna kazi, utaenda hospitali, utibiwe, uende nyumbani bila ya kulipishwa pesa yoyote. Na nimesema hivi na nataka mnisikize vizuri. Nyinyi watu wa Budalangi, tunaelewana? Kuna watu wanatembeza porojo ya pesa 8. Sawa sawa? Sikiza vizuri. Kujisajili kwa mambo ya SHA, kujisajili kwa Taifa Care, hauhitaji pesa yoyote. Unaenda unajisajili kwa sababu wewe kujisajili itatusaidia tujue watu wangapi wako kwa zahanati yenu hapa. Ndio tuweze kupanga madawa ya kutosha. Tuweze kupanga madaktari ya kutosha. Tuweze kupanga equipment ya kutosha. Kwa hivyo wewe hatua yako ya kwanza ni kujisajili.
Na boigo togosasa maruberi ryosha boigo yororokanire ko bano botuskano bonge usabanta bange kwimurunganiria so maruberi yo nigo bono baburiwe kwerika no maruberi yo asenge nchobere kororokana ko bomuya ase bono iga werikire ime na isiko yense
Murikyo botambe ase wizara iria boche no musubati Mary Muthoni no mwabisoma nene Patrick Amothi nigo bainekeiria abakenya anene mono bari inse isiko ya Kenya kwerikia no moroberi oyo no imbara bachikonyora obokonya se Chinsa chiri bamenyete.
Since the inception of the program on 1st of October last year, 660,000 claims totaling 14.6 billion have been lodged on the portal, broken down as 8.5 billion for the private and the faith-based facilities and 4.8 billion for public health facilities.
First and foremost, let me affirm to Kenyans, we are not saying we are separating civil servants and the rest. But there was already an existing scheme that was for civil servants. And what is being done is transition of the same. So it is just an additional a few more months to ensure that there's smooth transition into SHA. Otherwise, everybody, every Kenyan is going to be in SHA. Secondly, on the issue of commodities, I think we need to go a bit granular and pick on specifics so that we don't generalize that everywhere there are no drugs. KEMSA is here. They will be able to give us tabulation of where the counties that have already ordered the drugs. And probably if you want, we go deeper into that. Next week, KEMSA can come with more tabulation on the counties that have already ordered drugs. And then you can ask us, you can give us the specific hospitals or the specific health facilities that are so drained in terms of drugs.
Mwancho murigena asiri tukoria katoterero nigo abateresa anene mono kuraso mochero Nairobi bagendereria no mugirobo bwiri tukoria katoterero korenda asiba kwana ni chinyomba cha bararia gose ama asiba kwana na barikia mangana na goteba mbayere tayare gokora chingwana amone serikali
none nabo nigo basabire serikali gwikirania amagani yabo elio banyare gochikoira na emirimo.
I think that was not implemented immediately. It led to this strike now that began on 20th. On the issues of the return to work, we also had made a resolution in terms of the matters that are national on the UHC and the Global Fund people, that the Council of Governors together with the Ministry of Health fast track or rather come up with the framework to engage Treasury to provide funds for purpose of putting them or rather transitioning them to permanent and pensionable term. Because we allege that we have been raising the issue that they are being discriminated and the terms that they are working in is discriminative in nature and they are being paid peanuts. So therefore, on that two issue, and also the CBA, we had the issue with the Council of Governors where they had directed that we negotiate with the respective counties despite the previous agreement that we had on the return to work last year. they had directed that we go and negotiate with the respective counties. In our resolution, one of the resolution we made on 14th was clear that the Council of Governors was to establish a team that will negotiate on behalf of the 47 county to realize a CBA for the clinical officer within 21 days. So today, why we called you here is to communicate that the first item on the Social Health Authority has been fully resolved, because now all the facilities that had been excluded have been included in the Social Health Authority system, and that has been ongoing. Today, I know they are still working on the professionals whom have not also all of them been included. And also, they have included, or rather interlinked to the system by the Clinical Officers Council to ensure that whichever is happening at the Clinical Officers Council, it can be able to be interlinked with the digital superhighway system, that now they are able to facilitate everyone without who is qualifying today to continue practicing. So
Bono nigo umujumbe oge mumusike Elijah Odhiambo abairega kuboria abananchi kubwaterana na abajumbe bande eri kweneke buna ekegancha kerekya NGCDF ngutigara kere inse y'abajumbe.
Aya niga gocha magigaye kegambere kenene gotuguturare ekegancha ekyo nakoteba buna ekerema mencha eri chikoria Kenya.
There was public pressure to terminate NGCDF. But looking at what MPs are doing with NGCDF, it is something that we can never terminate. We can never do what? Because it is NGCDF that is helping parents who are peasants at home who cannot pay their fees. Longe. So I'm calling upon the public. I'm calling upon the public to stand with MPs on issues NGCDF. I read in the papers that the controller of budgets has refused to disburse bursary to county governments. I think county governments are missing the point.
Mwanchi umweregerera gwikiraga bona togo chigwikira mwere Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere senchira yo wenge korenda ngorene gote ngayina ndi no chiko yanyara ase enchara yo gwikira no Chinsa chia inye inchengatrin Nyaboga
kwarenge na inche Julie Kerubo oriboigo eneke buna chibicha neryogi cyawe cheire ase enchira yo gwikira nigenge korwa Kevin oigo oringe asensemo yimanyerero nigakoro kwa Wilson Makori.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kerubo.
Nilan Hub neye moya chiduka echichiko n'ebintu bigutumika service